guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add your logo to your videos in CapCut PC. So first go to import and select the logo that you want here. I've already imported my logo. It has to be a PNG file, but if your logo is a black and white logo, you can remove it, don't worry. So if it's like a white logo on top of like a black background, you can go to blend mode and select brighten. Or if you have like a dark logo on top of a white screen, you can select the darken mode instead. And you're just going to scale it down, and you're just going to either place it on the left or on the right side of your screen like I did right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!